X7 M60. God, look at that color. Bikini grill, huge. Those wheels, brakes, and performance great. And this does have the M engine, twin turbo V8. It's got the the luxury features of the X7. I mean the 7 Series. Like the doors open. Oh man. Check out this interior. Oh, but yeah, it's kinda. Yeah, cause this look like the look like the R4. Pillows. They got the pillows on there. Wow. Wow, look at the captain's chairs, the pillows, plush. They even got a sunroof back here. That's crazy. So you got big sunroof here. You got a big sunroof in the back, third row seating, of course. You got just a tailgate. Nice, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. No, I didn't put it.
Wow. Ford Auto.
It might take a long time to wait for the car. So I'm just gonna pick this up.
That's crazy. That's nice.
You guys enjoy it. Appreciate it.
That's nice. That's folding down now. Kind of delay. Is it a button to put? Oh yeah, it is a button. Yeah. Oh, you could drop the.
Suspension, yeah.
That's crazy. I hear something. That's nice. I want that whole.
All right, X7 M60,
Big boy too.
4.4 V8. Different motor from that car. Same 4.4, but this one has the M engine.
Okay. Yeah. We're in comfort mode right now until we get out on the street. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just a different little growl. Nothing in here cheap either. They definitely whipped it around the corner. All right. Yeah, I told him. That's what I was telling guys. Even though I haven't drove this yet, I was telling him this is gonna be more comfortable. If you're going with comfort, this is the way. But that the 7 Series is gonna be more sporty. Yeah, I like how this one curved. It's like, where does tech go from here? you keep
Man, this is gonna get bigger and bigger. They already doing the passenger sides.
You got your heated seating. Heated seating. What's that?
I got massage on for me.
Oh. I ain't going there. Yep.
That's why if you this is a mobile, but it's fast. All they car is quiet too. When you got the window up, it's hush in here.
I feel the massage. I wish it was a little stronger, but it's fine. Oh, you can move the rear seats back again.
Yeah, you can let the seats down from there.
Oh, okay. Let's let that.
So you can do like here or here. You can move the left seat, right seat.
The steering wheel was better on 7 Series. I love that, the cutouts and stuff like that.
Yeah, so the 7 Series is the newest model they have. So that's the next generation of them. So this is the X7 maybe came out in 2019 or something. It's a little bit older. Cause see, this one don't have the launch control either. When you do it from there, the 7 Series did. It just brake boost.
It's still let you get up to 3 though.
Yeah, that was nice. I feel like this engine does make a little bit more noise.
Yeah, you definitely get more.
Yeah.
And it's nice for a truck.
The rear steering does help.
Let off. Yeah, I forgot about the rear steering.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. Let me see. Let's do a radius test. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Well, that's
Like a
working
car.
like a car.
Yeah. Nice pumps.
Oh, yeah. That is nice. Wow. That's nice. So you can
I feel a few burbles now. It's so quiet,
Yeah,
you can
it's-
barely hear it. But I do hear it a little bit.
It's like blah 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 blah. I'm gonna get some outside shots of you running past, through here.
Some outside shots.
Yeah. Like
Oh, you talking about like driving wise?
Yeah, when you switch over.
Okay.
Cause you signed up to drive too. Right?
I can. I mean, we can do it.
Oh,
yeah, we can roll with
Oh, I thought you had put your name on the waiting list. Or was it the Z4?
it. It was. I don't even remember. To be honest with you, we signed up for quite a few, but yeah, we can do some driving. Some shots. There's the one we drove earlier. That was pretty boring.
Which one?
The X5.
Oh, yeah, it was.
Yeah.
It was good. It was still good, but
Yeah. 7.
So we're gonna switch. I mean, you're gonna take off from here, turn around, and then just shoot through here. All right, I'm gonna get you, and then you come right and get me. And that's it.
All right.
We out of there. Got quick. Woo!
Hey, these rocks.
Yeah. Hey, but that was quick.
Hey, we should have did that more often.
Right.
How does it sound from the outside?
I ain't gonna lie, sound muffled.
Okay, so that shit going through the speakers. So it's going through the speakers.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, BMW.
Yeah.
Trying to get her.
Yeah. They trying to bamboozle.
Yeah, but that they got a good soundtrack in here. See it here, man.
It's through the speaker, man.
Yeah.
But that sounds good.
Yeah, it does. They should just do that in electric cars. Might as well just bring it over to electric cars.
For a big lofty vehicle like this one. Yeah, kick too.
Engineers did a good job on the sound, bro. Because like, as soon as you hit the pedal, it comes to the speakers back here. What time is it? Shit, it's almost 11.
Golly. And the transmission is really good too. It's crisp. Brakes are there. Yeah, this is nice.
For a family SUV, yeah, it's dope.
man.
You know, if you got to give up your sports car, have kids.
Man. Well, I know this is expensive though. This is 6 figures easily.
Oh yeah, this about a 120 easily.
Ooh, that is the burbles. You gotta get this one if you haven't tried it. You gotta get this one if you haven't tried it. Yeah, it's
nice.
black.
That damn Z4, that's been out the most. Every time we come back, it's gone.
I didn't know people know about it. I guess because of the look. If you don't know about it, you look at it, you be like, okay.
Hopefully he tell us we next on the Z4.
Yeah.
Like he said, one more person, so they should have went out by now.
If not,
they should be on their way. Nah, we got.
If not, I'm just be late for my autocross because I like this. Yeah, this is nice. I love the crystal accents they got in here. It's really nice. This color, I love it.
I got in trouble for driving the Z4 because they put me going too fast.
Oh yeah, you gotta wait till you get out to the.
Yeah. I had fun.
We was in the 7 Series. We passed by the Z4 going 140 on the back road.
It's fun to get out there.
Oh man, that's great. The M engine is better than the one in the 7 Series, but yeah.
Did you guys look at any of the display cards yet?
Not yet.
No,
we
we
waiting for the
definitely going
Z4.
over
After the Z4. What else can I ask? Do they funnel the sound through the speakers? I don't know that. It sounds like, because on the outside of the
like
it's muffled, but in the inside you can really hear it. So they have to.